You're not lazy because you're tired. Asterisk, you're lazy because you've trained your brain to flinch every time life asks for effort. Asterisk, that "I'll do it later" voice. Asterisk, that voice is killing your future. Asterisk, let's be real. Asterisk, your room is messy. Your goals are dusty. Your motivation is dead. Asterisk, you scroll, you binge, you dream big, but do nothing. Asterisk, and yet, you still think you deserve success. Asterisk, you don't. Asterisk, no one is coming to save you. Asterisk, not motivation. Asterisk, not some perfect mood. Asterisk, not that magical Monday you keep waiting for. Asterisk, if you can't start when it sucks, you'll never finish when it matters. Asterisk, I used to be just like you. Asterisk, productivity apps? Tried them. Asterisk, motivational videos? Watched them back to back. Asterisk, to-do lists? Made them. Never touched them. Asterisk, until one stupidly simple rule flipped the switch in my head. Asterisk, and now it's gonna do the same for you. Asterisk, the 1-minute rule. Asterisk, if something takes less than 1 minute to start, asterisk, you do it immediately. Asterisk, no discussion, no prep, no scroll break. You just start. Asterisk, not finish. Asterisk, start. Asterisk, because starting is the only part your brain fears. Asterisk, got dishes piling up? Asterisk, start with one plate for 60 seconds. Asterisk, want to work out? Asterisk, don't overthink. Do jumping jacks for 1 minute. Asterisk, need to reply to emails? Asterisk, write one sentence. Just one. Asterisk, need to fix your life? Fix one corner of your room. You're not tired. Asterisk, you're overwhelmed. Asterisk, and the cure is action. Tiny. Fast. Now. Asterisk, if you can't give your dream 1 minute. Asterisk, stop lying to yourself. Asterisk, you don't have a dream. You have a fantasy. Asterisk, the 1 minute rule isn't about speed. Asterisk, it's about killing resistance. Asterisk, it's about retraining your brain to move without negotiation. Asterisk, once you start, your brain shuts up. Asterisk, and guess what? Asterisk, 1 minute becomes 5. Asterisk, 5 becomes 20. Asterisk, you end up doing the whole damn task you've avoided for weeks. Asterisk, you didn't need motivation. Asterisk, you needed momentum. Asterisk, you are not stuck. Asterisk, you're just comfortable in the suck. Asterisk, you wait for a perfect day? Newsflash, it doesn't exist. But you've got 60 seconds right now. And that's all it takes to start building the version of you that actually finishes sh/*t. Asterisk, so here's the deal. Asterisk, if you don't act in the next 60 seconds, asterisk, you never will. Asterisk, set a timer. Asterisk, start something. Asterisk, anything. Asterisk, right now. Asterisk, or just sit there. Asterisk, scroll more. Asterisk, lie to yourself 1 more day. Asterisk, but if you really want to change, asterisk, then prove it. Asterisk, you've got 1 minute. Go.